Meaning of gryphon.
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 Gryphon. A gryphon is a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of an eagle. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Greek and Persian cultures, where it was revered as a symbol of strength and power. In popular culture, gryphons are often depicted as fierce protectors or guardians of treasure. The word itself is derived from the Old French gryphon and Latin gryphus. Gryphons have continued to fascinate and inspire people throughout history, appearing in everything from literature and art to architecture and heraldry.